What the fuck with gentlemen?
Can I just squeeze by right
No!
now?
I'll say it. Give me that! He's one shot. That boy got some juice back there. Golly!
Gee whiz, I think I'm playing pretty good defense. Owie, my ankle!
And now for my next magic trick, the hurdle of doom.
Here goes Justin Jefferson putting on the burners. Oh, and look at that referee.
Hey, I scored a touchdown first.
Get up, big fella, they need you. Feed the man.
Achoo!
Cause I'm talking. Ain't no one safe around here. Come here, rap. Man, Justin, I love you so much. I'd adopt you if I could. You ain't gotta do that, coach. Look at these big muscles. Oh, hey, relax. Hold on, turn around. Oh, coach, you hit me too hard. Did I get Wingstop or Pizza Hut after the game? What about Taco Bell? Watch this defense. Ooga booga. Well, that didn't work. Excuse me. Watch me fly, kids. Come here, you. Cause it's your turn. Since Mario and Luigi. Let's go. Come on in there, big fella.
Ooh, cookies! Achoo!
Cause I'm talking. Excuse me. Watch me fly, kids. That boy got some juice back there. Golly!
Let's play some football, fellas. Alright, now what do I do? Ha! Kobe! Yeah, that'll do it.
Yo, a free touchdown.
What have I done?
Check the sundial, cause it's yam time.
Here goes Justin Jefferson putting on the burners. Oh, and look at that referee.
Hey, I scored a touchdown first.
Oh, you want my phone number? Yeah, it's 1-800. Yeah!
Gee whiz, I think I'm playing pretty good defense. Owie, my ankle!
Ain't no one safe around here. Come here, rap. Come on in there, big fella.
The Bears will try a field goal. Well, it doesn't look good. And it is short. That was pretty bad. Oh, sweet mother of pearl!
Hi, Mom.
Yo, DK, score this. I need the fantasy points.
Yeah, I got you. Hey, why you not guarding me?
I'll have you in fantasy too.
Oh, yeah. Hey, bro, let's celebrate.
Absolutely not!
I say down with the red coats.
Spooky Bear has a chance to win the game!